the instruments we play. My instruments called the 二胡. 二胡 two strings. It's a Chinese violin. And our lead instrument is a Persian tar. It has six strings, and it's a fretted instrument, and can play quarter tone as well. And Jonathan plays the percussion. This is Tonbak, and he's sitting on a cajon, and then he also has a bunch of other things he plays. And Darling plays the zheng or guzheng. That's a Chinese zither with 21 strings.
The most exotic instrument of them all.
The guitar.
Well, we've seen guitars all over the world. That's true.
The most international.
The most
And
international.
playing many different styles, and when playing different styles, it sounds very, very different.
Everybody in the world plays guitar.
刚刚介绍了一下我们乐团的乐器啊，有这个大家熟悉的二胡、古筝啊，还有吉他、打击乐。那可能比较少见的是波斯的乐器，这个叫做塔尔琴，也是相当古老的乐器。那接下来要演奏的曲子就是阿力所创作的一首曲，叫做《Crossover》，有波斯的风格。
Derde